Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the drop-in hidden horn on a 2006 Skeeter ZX190. I found this 5 Oceans horn. It seems to be the right fit. We're going to replace this. So this drop-in horn comes with a white and black horn cover and 2 screws. Take off the old one. Pull the old horn out. There's a gasket. It's got 2 wires on the horn. Got a positive and a negative. Disconnect those. Horns look to be identical. So I'm going to hook up the new horn. Positive back on. Put the negative back on. Got the positive and negative back on. Let's test it. Ooh. Yeah, it's loud. So the new horn comes with a gasket. So the new horn already has a gasket on it, so you just put it back in flush. I'm going to put on the black cover because that's what the factory one was, a black one. I'll keep the white as a spare so when these wear out. Well, that's all there is to it. Replacing the drop-in horn on a Skeeter 2006 ZX190. The 5 Oceans drop-in horn is what I used. The hardest thing about replacing a horn usually is finding the right part. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, leave it in the comments below. Thanks for watching.